morning, depending on where you are joining us from. Guys, if you are just joining, you are welcome. Please let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Let's get started. If you are joining, wherever you are joining us from, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen on TikTok and share the live. The people on YouTube, please help me share the live stream. And also do me a favor by subscribing to this channel so we can start on time. If you are joining, you are welcome, guys. If you are joining, you are welcome. Please let's support the live. Let's support the live. Can you guys hear me? Please let's support the live. Let's support the live. Can you guys? I believe there is no noise in the background. Is there noise on the background? The people on TikTok. I can hear myself from YouTube, but I can't hear myself on TikTok. Can you guys hear me? The people on TikTok, is there noise on the background, or you guys can hear me clearly? If you can hear me, please drop a comment below. Guys, I'm waiting. All right. Yusuf said I can hear you. All right. The people on YouTube, can you guys hear me? Mokoko Malicelo, something like that. You are welcome. Good evening. The people on YouTube, I believe you guys can hear me. If you are joining, you are highly welcome. Like I said earlier, please let's support the live stream. Let's support the live. Let's support the live. Let's click on the like button. The people on TikTok, let's double tap on our screen so we can start on time. Let's start on time. Let's double tap. Let's double tap so we can start on time. We still don't have a single like on the live. Let's double tap so we can start on time. Guys, if you are joining, you are welcome. Please double tap on your screen. All right, just like it says, what you are seeing on my screen, it says top-down analysis. And that's exactly what we are here to do this evening. And yeah, Dora Billions, I see you. You are welcome. Good evening. Thanks for the at me. Just like we've been doing, we are first of all going to clear off everything that we know that God has been doing on our head. Now know as we take the drum now. So first, we go assume say we don't know what XAUUSD is doing. Guys, please, for us to sustain this live stream, let's support the live. We have 12 people watching us on YouTube. Please click on the like button and share the live. Subscribe to the live and also click on the like button, that top sub button below. Please, guys, if you are joining from YouTube, encourage the live stream. And if you are joining us from TikTok, please let's double tap. Dora, thank you so much for double tapping on your screen. I see that and I really appreciate. Then another person was double tapping. I was seeing one name now. I was double tapping. Guys, if you are joining from TikTok, please let's double tap on our screen. Let's encourage the live. Guys, we have 17 amazing people watching over on YouTube, but we only have one person that have clicked on the like button. If you are joining us from YouTube, you are welcome. Please click on the like button. That is the top sub button below. There you can comment. We see a top sub like this. Click on it. And we are now 21 on YouTube. Please let's encourage the live stream on YouTube, guys. Let's click on the like button so YouTube can automatically recommend this live to other persons so they can join us. And please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel and clicking on the bell icon. So whenever we go live or any time of this week, you can always join us to trade with us live. Guys, we have been doing a lot of things on this particular channel, and God has been helping us. It's not by power, but I believe that this week, every member of this community, those that are joining us online and those that will be coming down to our office, I pray that this week become the most profitable week in our life ever since we started trading forex. But I need you to understand that it is not just about prayer, or it is not just about believing in your faith, but it is also about you working out your faith with work. You are going to show that you believe that this week is going to be most profitable for you by putting in the work. And one of the work that is always that we are supposed to always do is to always reassure ourselves that we understand what the market is doing. So tonight we are going to be looking different aspects of this market outside the technical analysis that we are here to do now. We'll also be sharing some of the spiritual aspect of the market, and also the business aspect of the forex market. Oh, sorry, I forgot. This is 9 o'clock. We have class 9 o'clock. I've forgotten. They pursue me, guys. I'm still on that BTC USD trade. I've not leave the trade. I'm still on that buy on BTC USD. We will get there. I will show you guys everything. And that particular $3 account that we started that day before yesterday, currently day 34 now. That $3 is day 34. We started trading that $3 day before yesterday. So now, sorry guys, let me quickly bring my people up so they can join us. If you are joining us from YouTube, please click on the like button, guys. The people on YouTube, are we here? Do we have people watching us on YouTube? The people on YouTube, how far? Do we have men and women on YouTube? All right, Michael, I see you. Black Pega, something like that. I see you. You are welcome. Guys, if you are joining us, you are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Let me quickly share my screen on this platform so my people can join us. Elvis, please, can you hear me? If you can hear me, kindly unmute yourself and confirm. Good evening. Prof. Tyler, you are welcome. Good evening. Please, if you can hear me, kindly unmute yourself and confirm. If you can hear me, unmute yourself and confirm.
I can hear you.
All right, let me quickly share my screen. I don't know if I made a mistake. Okay. All right, can you see my screen?
Yes.
All right, very good. Please, anybody that is coming in on Telegram should mute, because what I want us to do now, like I said, I welcome every member of this community into this new week, and I pray that this week will be most profitable for every member of the Dream Forex Academy, those that are joining us online and those that will be coming to our office. Then I went ahead to say that if you receive that particular prayer, you need to understand that works without faith without works is dead. So we also need to put in some of the work that is needed for that particular prayer to come alive in our life, which means you need to put in the work by making sure that you understand what the market makers are planning. Remember, you as a day trader, me as a day trader, we are not the one controlling this forex market. The only thing that we are doing here, the only thing that we are doing here is just trying to understand the mind of those people that are controlling the market, which is, we call them the market makers. So once you can able to tell what the market makers are planning, then you can just align your own self with them, then just follow them to do what they are doing to make your own out of the market. So the forex market is very, very wide, and there's no limit to how much you can actually make as a day trader, and also there's no limit to how much you can actually lose as a day trader. So that is why we all need the proper knowledge to guide ourselves, understand ourselves, the market, and also our capital. I pray that God will give us understanding. But tonight, what are we here to do? You see, for a couple of weeks, God has been helping us in a way that we have been smashing take profit back to back on XAU USD. But tonight class is going to be different, because I don't want us to anticipate that we know what gold will do this week, because that is the first mistakes that traders make. The first mistake where we they make as day traders is based on, say, we trade gold last week and gold respect all of our analysis and we were smashing TP. We will now be thinking that you have now become invisible to the market makers. You will now be thinking that you are the one controlling the market, you will now be thinking that the market is supposed to repeat the same thing that happened last week for you to make profit. But that is one of the biggest trap that we can ever find ourselves as day traders. So what is expected of you and I, whenever we come to the market on a Sunday night like this? Sorry, let me quickly record the class. I've forgotten that I did click on the record button. All right, so we are recording the live now on Telegram. We are recording the live now. Marvelous. Let me allow you to speak. So now, you first of all need to understand that you are not the one controlling this market. So what to be our responsibility? Your responsibility, my responsibility as a day trader, is to make sure that we understand what the market makers are doing. So that is why every Sunday evening like this, we do what we call top-down analysis. And if you have been following us for months or for weeks, at least you can testify that this particular top-down analysis that we normally do every Sunday night, they work. It they help us well. It always they help us. So if you were here last week Sunday, you will understand how we did the top-down analysis and how we use that particular information to make money this previous week that just ended. And this week we are here again to do the same, to repeat that same process. And why I am saying all of this is for those people who are beginner traders or you are new to this channel, this is what is expected of you as a day trader. You might decide not to join this live stream next week Sunday, and you decide to do the analysis alone or by yourself in your convenience, in your home. You understand? So this is what you are supposed to do, and this is how you are supposed to approach the market whenever you decide to do top-down analysis by yourself. Okay, I pray God will help us. So firstly, we are not going to start analyzing the market from the daily time frame. No, the daily time frame is for day traders. But we are going to start analyzing the market for the purpose of this class and for better understanding. You're too loud, man. Okay. I think we are going to reduce the volume. Guys, can you hear me? Is this still too loud? I observed that actually, because when I was trying to check the YouTube, I observed that the thing was just shouting. I was not talking like a deaf man. Those deaf people when they hear word. Yes, the sound is okay now. All right, let's just manage it for now like this. Let's just try and manage it for now like this. Guys, please don't forget to click on the like button. Don't forget to click on the like button, please. The people on YouTube, we have 84 amazing people on YouTube. Please click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also click on the subscribe button. So this week, whenever we go live, you will always be notified to join us, please. So now, if you will want to do the top-down analysis, guys, the people on TikTok, let's double tap now, please. Fawaz, thanks for double tapping. Let's encourage the live on TikTok, guys. Let's double tap on our screen. See here. If you decide to do your top-down analysis, the first thing that you need to understand is that, remember, top-down analysis is you trying to, all you have to do is you trying to understand what the market makers are doing beginning from the higher time frame. Remember, the higher time frame controls the lower time frame. The higher the time frame, the stronger the information. What I mean be say, you see, when it comes to if you was to open your chart, you'll be seeing M, which is monthly on your time frame. You see monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes. Now, the higher the time frame, the stronger the information. First of all, take note of that. And now, how do we use those time frame effectively as day traders? See, in every time frame, there is market structure playing out in every time frame. So that is why you always need to be so sure of what you are expecting that particular time frame to do according to market structure. And I believe the same thing now we do on Friday. For those of you who join our stream on Friday, our live trading section. So now we are not going to assume that gold is supposed to sell tomorrow Monday, or whether gold is supposed to buy tomorrow Monday. Rather, we are going to do the top-down analysis until we get to the point of conviction according to our strategy, which is price action strategy, to know if the market makers are planning to buy or they are planning to sell this week. So that is what we take us to the weekly time frame. Normally, sometimes we actually start our analysis from the monthly, you know that, but we've done the monthly analysis during the opening of this new month of April. So now every week we need to do our weekly analysis. Now on this weekly chart, why are we analyzing the weekly analysis? Does it mean that we are going to be placing our trade using the weekly time frame? No. We are not placing any trade on the weekly time frame. We don't trade with the weekly time frame, but we use the weekly time frame to get the clear direction of where the market should end that same week. That is why I explained something to you guys, that in every time frame, there is market structure playing out there. Now, for the sake of those people who have never heard me teach about market structure, who doesn't have a clear understanding of what market structure is the pattern, the way the market move, is the reaction of prices, the way the market take the work normally. You understand? So in this case, you will see that gold was currently bullish. Gold was in a bullish trend. Gold be day up trend. It means say buyers now, they be day in charge before. You understand? Buyers were currently in charge on a weekly time frame. And during that time, the market was actually respecting market structure, which is the market will buy, it will pull back, continue the buy, breaking a resistance zone, form a new resistance, pull back again to test the trend line, continue the buy, breaking above this resistance to form a new resistance, pull back to the previous resistance that was broken, continue the buy, breaking this resistance to form a new resistance, pull back to the previous resistance that was broken, continue the buy, breaking this resistance to form a new resistance. Then after this resistance, the market break out from the trend line. But let me now show you something very, very important that you need to understand. I'm saying all of this now because of the beginners here. If we say the market day uptrend, what will they look at for now? Buy opportunities. And for you to be sure that the market still day uptrend, say buyers are still the one in charge, that we should still be looking for buying opportunity. That means the market needs to keep breaking resistance. It needs to keep breaking higher highs like this. It go buy, it go pull back, you continue the buy, break above here, form a higher high, pull back again, continue the buy, break here to form another one. So long say price they do this thing, it means say buyers are still the ones in charge. And what is expected of you is to look for buy opportunity. But you can observe, say, ever since the market formed this particular resistance right here, the market has not been able to break above that resistance. So now what will go first give you one or two restraint to reanalyze or to try to understand what the market makers are doing. Now, why trying to reanalyze, why trying to understand what the market makers are doing? How do you do what the market makers they plan? On this mouse is like this mouse don't run down. As you know. So now how you go tell know what the market makers they plan? Sorry guys, let me quickly change something. Guys, please let's support the live. We have 107 persons watching us on YouTube. Please, and we only have 50 people that have liked the live. Please let's like the live stream, guys. Please, if you are joining us from YouTube, out of the 107 persons that are watching us right now, we only have 15 people that have clicked on the like button. Please click on the like button. That is the top sort button. And also subscribe to this channel. You are not paying for it. Just use it to support us. Use it to support this channel. And don't forget to always click on the bell icon. So whenever we go live to trade live, we normally trade real account live. And we have God has been helping us that we make money in every of our live stream, but not all the time. You still just need to support by clicking on the like button, subscribing to the channel, and also by clicking on that bell icon so you can always join us whenever we go live. Please just do that for me. God bless you guys. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. Guys, please let's do that. God bless you. Yeah, we currently have 30 people that have liked now. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And the people on TikTok, please let's keep double tapping on our screen. Let's keep sharing the live. Let's keep enjoying the live. So now listen. You now observe that market be day uptrend normally. Nobody argues that. Nobody they argue say market no be day uptrend. But according to market structure that I just explained, for you to be sure that buyers are still in charge, market will always do the sell, which is pull buy, then continue the buy, breaking the previous resistance, forming a new resistance, then pull back again. This market pulling back is a must. That is what we call market structure. Now, thank you so much. Simply to the word, simply to the word, something like that. Why word? Now, for you to observe, for if you now observe that ever since the market formed this resistance, the market has not been able to break above this resistance. That means something is happening. So it is your responsibility as a day trader to be able to spot what is happening on time. So if we have any day trader in the house right now, what is happening here? We have a clear reversal pattern here, and we call it a tweezer top. The tweezer top is one of the reversal pattern that takes price from uptrend to downtrend. Now let's assume that you are not even seeing the reversal pattern. Let's assume you are not even seeing the reversal pattern. Even if you don't see the reversal pattern, you observe that anytime the market comes to test the trend line, because this was a clear uptrend, but anytime the market comes to test the trend line, then we always reject it because the market now uptrend every day. But all of a sudden, 2-3 weeks ago, the market successfully break out from the trend line. 3 weeks ago, the market successfully break below the trend line. So this is a clear bearish information, and it's a reversal pattern also. So how were we able to get the buy that we have been buying for 2 weeks now? We started buying gold since last 2 weeks, and not through last one. I know what happened now for this channel, for those of you that have been following up. So now we understand that according to the weekly time frame, as market don't come outside from the trend line, we also anticipated, according to market structure, that market price should pull back to that same place where the market break out from the trend line, which is here. They continue the sell. Take note of this, guys. See, market breaking out from the trend line, it's a reversal pattern. It shows that sellers just entered the market with high level of momentum, right? For market to break below the trend line means that sellers actually enter the market from here using a particular reversal pattern called a tweezer top. That is what I'm trying to explain. So now, after the tweezer top, market breakout, but even if the market has broken out, that doesn't mean that you that just woke up on Monday morning and you observe that last week the market break below here and you should just jump inside the same. No, there's something called market structure, and it is your responsibility to always make sure that you understand what the higher time frame is doing according to market structure, because what the market is supposed to do on the higher time frame is what the market will be reacting to on the lower time frame. No, many people know what I said. Let me break it down. See, if we dey anticipate or if we dey expect, say, make the weekly time frame do pullback come here, which it already they do for 2 weeks now, then we should be expecting the lower time frame to give us a clear reversal pattern. So that is why we said a pullback on the higher time frame is going to be an established trend on the lower time frame. A pullback on the higher time frame will give you an established trend on the lower time frame. So now, you see, I mark here where this trend line for commode. Only last week, we traded this same pattern about 3 times. For those of you that were here last week, if you can remember, we traded this setup on different time frame like 3 times last week. So let's say last 2 weeks, the market do what weekly they do now. See what weekly they do. The weekly have tested this particular support zone right here last week. Sorry. The weekly time frame have tested this particular support zone last week, so, and it's doing as if it wants to run down. It wants to continue the buy, the sell, right? But do you know that The market, this is a minor structure. The market makers knows very well that me and you that doesn't have that enough money to hold the trade there, we go jump enter the sell here now. Then the market will finally pull back and test the exit point. Now that is why last week I gave you guys an assignment. I said whenever we come live here, either we are trading live or we are teaching live, if you see anybody talking about any reversal pattern or any kind of pattern like this particular one, go and do the back testing of that same setup. That is how to learn, and that is how to grow. That is how to build confidence. That is how to build confidence in particular setups. If you want to have a setup, something will be say this thing, you know, say more on a scale of 1 to 10, 8 times in the enter for me. If you want to have that kind of setup, if you see someone explaining something like this, don't just jump into conclusion with your 2 eyes. Rather, let your 3rd eye be open and take that particular kind of setup, go and do the back testing of that same setup. What do I mean by that? Now begin to scroll backward, looking for same setup that the market has done before. That is what makes us price action traders. Now, what is price action? Remember, price action is understanding the candlesticks information. All of those candlesticks are actually giving us information of buyers are in charge, or information of sellers are in charge, or information of both buyers and sellers. None of them are currently in charge. So now, if our analysis as at last 2 weeks was the market to do pullback, which we have been buying since that last 2 weeks, the next question now is, how were we able to spot the buy on time from here? I've said it already. A pullback on the higher time frame is an established trend on the lower time frame. So on the lower time frame, we saw a clear reversal pattern. So let's try to break it down on those lower time frames. So for better understanding of those people who are beginners, who still don't really understand what we are doing. Then we take it down to the daily time frame. You see, for us to be sure, now see this the way happen on Friday, when we do this analysis on Thursday night, say gold must pull back to this particular place when it break on Wednesday or Thursday. Many people were not seeing it because they were looking at the momentum where we take by the market Wednesday and Thursday. But on that Friday, the market not still reach there. It's 100% as we analyze them. That is not a strategy. This is not strategy. Rather, this is just normal market structure. No be strategy, no be secret anything, no be saying a secret where person no. Now waiting market they always do. If you have been trading for years, definitely your eyes suppose don't master the same thing. Your eyes suppose don't they see this same thing repeatedly until you call no am. The thing go call done on you. Say, this thing they always happen. No, on a scale of 1 to 10, it always happen like 7 straight. So almost of those things no be something where really they hard, but now something where be say, if you know am, you know am, and if you never know am, you never know am, and you no get wetin you want do. I pray that God will help us. So now, remember that particular buy that we were buying, the daily time frame last week gave us a reversal pattern, and that same last week it confirmed the reversal pattern by breaking above here. What is the reversal pattern that we have here? We have a reversal pattern called a tweezer bottom. If you are not seeing a tweezer bottom, you know say me I dey like giving a 2-2 as though now wetin the market form when I see now they call. Now we have a tweezer bottom here. We also have something called a missed double bottom. These two information takes price up. We have something called tweezer bottom here. Tweezer bottom is a reversal pattern. It takes price from down to uptrend. Understand that. And remember, why we they look for buy information? Now, based on say we are currently anticipating the weekly time frame to pull back to this place before the continuation of the sale, because the market on the weekly time frame, the market actually break out from a trend line, and you can see that even on the daily. Now, there the market for come out from the trend. So now from this particular bottom level, If you are not seeing a tweezer bottom, at least you should be able to see this particular mixed double bottom right here. Then the double bottom, see, guys, be it tweezer bottom, be it double bottom, be it head and shoulder pattern, all of those things they are just reversal patterns. That doesn't mean that the market has reversed. But make sure say you know that part. Reversal pattern is just a reversal pattern. It's not a reversal itself. I pray God will help us. Listen to why I said so and what I mean by that. If you see double bottom like this, market be day downtrend. For instance, market day downtrend before. It come from support, then it do pull back, then it come back again. It tests that same support, making it double bottom. But it no mean say market do automatically reverse to uptrend though. But there are mentors that will teach you, because I paid 98, I've been $99 that time for one price action class that the person taught us that double bottom it's a reversal, that whenever we say double bottom, that means the market will not be able to continue the buy, the set that we should go in for a buy. And the thing actually they work, but it will not make it's not consistent. This is what normally happens. Sometimes the market will form a double bottom. You will see the double bottom if you enter buy here, because the reason why the person said we should always take a buy if we see a double bottom is that our stop loss will be short, will be small. But once you take a double bottom, you see a double bottom, you take a buy, then your stop loss can be anywhere at all, because this is a double bottom. So now we will take the buy. The market will do as if he wants to buy actually, but it will go up a little bit. Before you know, it will tear and close below the double bottom. But sometimes the market will use it as reverse, like normal reverse, and it will continue to buy. We eat our take profit, but not all the time. So it was later I learned personally that double bottom or double top or any reversal pattern is just a reversal, just like the way it sounds, is a pattern. For instance, market be day downtrend. Market where they downtrend, if you want reverse to uptrend, it gets some patterns when it always give, where we tell they know say this market feel reverse to this direction. So this double bottom or tweezer top is just one of them. So after every reversal pattern, you also need a clear confirmation of that particular reversal pattern. So that is why we have confirmation, reversal pattern confirmation. We have it. Very, very important that you always know it as a day trader. Reversal pattern confirmation. So now, another thing that you need to understand now is that on the daily time frame, remember, we are day traders, me and you, we are day traders, right? If the market has given us a clear reversal on daily time frame by breaking above here right now, then on Thursday night, now we do the analysis, say currently they expect make gold say contest there before the continuation of the buy, and that on Friday market is do am. So what we supposed to ask ourselves this night, even as we do this top down analysis now, this week, so now buy we dey look out for abi make the market sell. Me too, I no go tell you the answer, rather now the analysis where we do now, na go clearly show us whether now buy we go dey look for abi na sell. Remember, what we are doing here tonight, now what we go use this week, and it is very, very important in a way that I said something earlier. If you want to do top down analysis, don't be biased. Don't analyze based on say you get some trade where maybe you get sell trade since last week and the sell trade currently dey losses. Based on say you dey pray say if the market open, make the market sell, go recover your losses, then you go dey do the analysis now just to favor your wrong trade. That is very, very wrong. That is not part of trading. So one thing that you need to understand is, in the trading industry, it's either the market makers are currently buying or the market makers are selling. So it is your responsibility for you to see what the market makers are planning to do on time, so that you can just gently join them. Don't try to, if you realize that you make mistake,
and that mistake is currently taking your money. Let's say, for instance, you analyze the market to buy. That doesn't mean that because you analyze the market to buy, that the market must buy. Who are you in the market to make the market work in line with what you are doing? No, it is you. What makes you a professional trader? What makes you a professional trader is the ability to always and quickly be able to align yourself with what the market is doing after making a loss. So instead of you to now be trading with hope or trading with absorption, this market is supposed go down. This when I dey say I no go close am, make I just come comot my stop loss. I know say go down. Then you go call the hope until your account go call blow. Meanwhile, the market was consistently pushing up. Adebi, you close am on time, you would have seen another clear buy opportunity to join the buy trade and make money, recover your loss, and still earn the profit. So all of those things are things that we should always put in consideration if we want to be consistent as day traders. It's not easy, but I know when you put in the work, you consistently put in the work, doing the right thing. Sometimes the right thing will look like it's not right, but you will still continue it. Then in a time will come where you now need to just weigh that particular stuff on a scale of 1 to 10. Just weigh it yourself. And why doing all of those things? You don't need to lie to yourself. You understand? You can lie to me, but you cannot lie to yourself. So now you go weigh am. This thing, is dey profitable abi e no dey profitable? Because if you have a strategy that can give you 4 wins out of 10 trade, you make 6 losses and you make 4 wins, baba, you are going to be stinkingly rich because you are going to be consistent. You are going to be making money back to back. You have a winning strategy, now be that. If you can get 4 wins out of 10 trades, if you can get 3 wins, like if you're a member of the GFRS Academy, like we actually pursue what is called 1:3. If you are using 1:3 as your ROR, on a scale of 1 to 10, if you can win 3 trades and lose 7 trades, you will still be profitable. Yes, but that is not the class that we are doing here now. Now, the next question that we need to ask ourselves, but before we get down to the next question, we have 100 plus people watching us on YouTube, but we only have 49 people that have clicked on the like button. Please, guys, encourage the live, encourage this channel, encourage me personally. Click on the like button, which is that top on button. Subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon. So whenever we go live, you will always be notified to join us. Please let the people that are watching now subscribe and let us share the live. Let's click on the like button. The people on YouTube, please click on the like button. Then we have 83 persons watching us on TikTok, but we still only have 4.9k likes. TikTok people, please, let's support the live stream. Let's double tap on our screen. Let's share the live. Let's just encourage the live, please. Encourage the channel. If you are not following us on TikTok, please do. And the people on TikTok, please, you can also join us on our YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel at GN Forex. On YouTube at GN Forex. And the people on YouTube, you can also join us on TikTok at GN Forex _Academy _Limited. So anywhere where we did, may you for just the follow up with us. We are currently seeing 92 persons now. Guys, please, can you just give me a few seconds? Let's change over. Guys, can you hear me now? Can you guys hear me now?
Yes, coach.
So the next thing now, Remember, why doing all of those things, it is your responsibility, to either you are documenting it or make you shall just understand what you did do. Just try make you just understand what you did do. Not just they do all of those things blindly, or you go just they do them for doing sake. No, we are doing this top-down analysis so that when the market open, anything when they do, we go fit understand them just to follow and do wetin they do. See, you need to understand wetin I just talk now. See, if you dey do your top-down analysis, it is very, very important that you know why and what you dey do. And that is why I started this class by saying that make you no dey biased. If you are doing such something like this, don't be biased to yourself. Like, call a spade here, so that if you be saying a buy, you go dey look out for, you go see am on time. Based on say you, even if say you dey set trade where you take on Friday whenever close, but if you be saying a buy, the market they project to you, you no need to dey hope say your sell go sell. No be you dey control. What you supposed to do according to your strategy. Respect that your trading plan, respect that your strategy. If it takes you to take out your sell trade, if according to your strategy say the market is currently pointing towards the buy and it has already given you the confirmation, then respect that strategy. That is what makes you a price action trader. Don't not be to the trade with hope. Trading with hope is you are not a trader. You are still trading and all those people when they do sporty. But I pray that God will help us, because all those things not really days. Now let's move on. On this daily time frame, we don't already get reversal pattern. And the market has broken above this particular resistance zone right here. And on Friday candle, if you look closely, on Friday, the market did that particular pullback as analyzed. And before the closing of that Friday, they started rejecting the candle immediately again, because the daily time frame has a bullish reversal pattern. And the daily time frame has confirmed the bullish reversal pattern reversal, which is here. You don't come break above here. So you don't pull back in a market structure now. So the next place where suppose give price problem now here. This particular structure right here. And you see this particular structure, for the people on Telegram, I'm talking about here. This particular structure where we have this line, now be our weekly structure where we dey anticipate make the market pull back to. If you observe, according to the weekly time frame, the market be day downtrend, it be day uptrend, sorry. Then all of a sudden, the market break out from the uptrend with a clear reversal pattern called the tweezer top. Then it still break below the trend line. So now it be between here and here. So according to market structure, we understand that whenever we see price out of a trend line, 90% of the time, the market will always find its way back and test that same place, that same region, that same structure that was broken, which is that same trend line that was broken, and might be here for weekly. So we know say if we dey expect make the weekly pull back to this place, which is this particular line right here, then on the lower time frame, we are going to be looking out for a clear reversal pattern. That means we are going to be looking out for market reversing from downtrend to uptrend. Then starting that particular confirmation from the daily time frame, you now observe that on the daily time frame, we have something called a tweezer bottom. And I have explained that the tweezer bottom is one of the reversal patterns that takes price from downtrend to uptrend. And now the market has established this particular reversal by breaking above here. Then it did a pullback on Thursday. Sorry, I know so on Friday market no open. Sorry, that person will remind me now of Friday market no open. Now on Thursday we do this particular. Should we be day office on Thursday, and those people now still remember. Now the market, so they be the rejected that Thursday before the market close. This week where we enter now, are we expecting gold to continue the buy? Abi make it still sell come here? This will now take us back to our Friday trading. On Friday, I tell una say the weekly pullback was not actually complete, and I go still expect. Maybe I'm talking about the daily. I said the daily time pullback was not actually completed, and I was still expecting the daily pullback to come down a little bit to here before the continuation of the buy to here, then continue the sell again. And for that particular reason, I told you guys that we are going to be looking out for if truly the market have that potential of pulling back to this place, go on the daily. We are going to see that particular confirmation from the 4 hours time frame. So let's see if truly the daily time frame has that potential of continuing the pullback until you get here before the continuation of the buy. If you open your 4 hours time frame, guys, all of those things, you need to understand how they do this thing. It is simple market structure. No be something where they very, very anyhow like that. You don't need to complicate your strategy while doing analysis, because now there big problems still there. Many people they go they analyze instead of us to just keep it simple and keep it straightforward. We not just overdo. Let me quickly show you something that I saw on Thursday. Sorry. Now, you see that particular daily time frame, where we dey anticipate make it pull that back to now here. Let's confirm. Maybe there, yeah. So we are currently anticipating it to come here, go, make a cut test here on the daily time frame, go, before the continuation of that short-term buy where we dey expect, which is like this. Then do that buy, which happens to be the pullback on the weekly, then continue the sell. So now our analysis is this. Now for us to know, remember, so we'll be day traders. So if we don't expect, yes, now Thursday, sorry, and now mistake, I see the next so. So now, if we expect say make this market make it still sell come down before it continue this buy pullback where we anticipate for weekly time frame. Now low time frame we go take get them right, whether not true, whether it's supposed to do them. So now you understand how we they do the analysis. So now, in case you are here and you want to ask this particular question, make I help you ask them, which is which time frame go you take the analyze. If it be say you get that question for mind, let me listen to the answer. See, we don't have a preferred time frame. We don't use a preferred time frame. We don't use a special time frame. All time frame, we use all the time frame because we use what we are seeing in a particular time frame to confirm what is supposed to happen in another time frame. For instance, the pullback that we are anticipating to happen on the weekly time frame, we use the daily time frame to spot the reversal pattern. Now, for us to know if the daily that we are currently trading, remember we are day traders because now every day we take the trade. You understand? We are not swing. So now for us to be sure, if now on the daily before the continuation of that weekly pullback, if the daily has that potential to pull back to this place, because if this daily decide to come here, you go see say all through the day the market will just be safe. Now you know say this is gold. So gold is a volatile market. So if daily decide to pull back here, it can even do it for 2 days. So between here and here, it's going to be a long direction, a very strong sell. Now, for us to be sure that truly, the market has that potential of the daily candle to come and test it before the continuation of the buy, which is the weekly buy with the weekly pullback, then we need to make sure that we see a clear bearish information on 4 hours time frame. So answering that your question now of the time frame to use, you can see that we are using one time frame to get a clear confirmation of what is happening in another time frame. I pray that God will help us. So on the 4 hours time frame, if you look closely, you will see the clear trend here. The market actually reversed to this particular time frame, to this particular trend, using the inverse head and shoulder pattern from here. You can see we have the market was actually trading down, but it formed the left shoulder, then it come down, it formed the head right there, then it come again, it formed the right shoulder, then the market finally breaks above the neckline, which happens to be the confirmation of the reversal pattern, to form another resistance here. Then remember, after every reversal pattern, we must also need to see the confirmation. Then in this case, after this particular reversal pattern, which is head and shoulder pattern, the market breaks above the neckline, which is the confirmation. Then it pull back to do the clear retesting. Then it continued the buy. It break this resistance to form a new resistance. So all through last 2 weeks, gold was actually doing yaga, respecting market structure. There was no time when it violate market structure. For the past 2 weeks, gold has been respecting market structure. Now they see I'm now pull back. So now this small pullback, now it give us that morale, say on Thursday market must sell. Because when the market finally break above this resistance, here and here, it's a major resistance zone. So when market finally break above the major resistance zone, you only do short pullback, you know, do better pullback when it's supposed to do. Then it continue the buy again, it break here to form here. So when we go down to lower time frame, we saw a clear double top on 1 hour time frame. So that double top on 1 hour was what gave us the morale, say, oh, this market is supposed to pull back to the major structure on 4 hours, and it did. But now, the next thing that we are looking at for now is on that daily time frame. We said the pullback is not done. I said the pullback is not done according to market structure. So I'm currently anticipating the daily time frame to do a clear pullback more. Look at what we draw on the daily time frame. So I'm expecting the daily time frame to come to test here, go with the candlestick, then failing to break below this line will be what will give us the confirmation of the market is continuing the up. So now, for us to be sure that daily supposed to do that pullback where we just analyze, so for that pullback, that daily time frame where we be there now, you can see that the 4 hours time frame has broken out from the trend line again. So, sir, the person on Telegram, you were in that particular class on Thursday where we be the trade. Then if you can remember closely, yes, you go remember, say, now this buy now will be the buy on Thursday. Because before we reach office, the market already said. Then I said, for the market to sell during the Asia section and early London section, and it has broken out of a trend line, we said it is a must. That is now normal market structure. It's not a big deal that the market, once price break out from a trend line, is supposed to pull back to that trend line, then continue the sell. Now normal something. And this same breakout from trend line, now the market do for weekly time frame. So where we they look for the buy for 2 weeks now, where we they do the buy. So
Yes.
on weekly, the market break a trend line like this. So we are currently anticipating this kind of pullback to happen on weekly before the continuation of the sell. So now they give us buy for over 2 weeks now. So based on say all of this daily time frame and 4 hours time frame are just in between the weekly. So now make we see different trend, downtrend, market reverse to uptrend again, it will reverse to downtrend again. So now on this 4 hours time frame, as we observe that last week on Thursday, the market did a pullback. Don't test them. So when the market opened this week, in the next 1 hour, 10 minutes, the gold market is supposed to open. I will be looking to see if this market will do the pullback, come here before the buy. Now, waiting go fit violate the market not to do the sell. You see, this is where the teaching comes in now. This is where the class comes in. Sir, please kindly mute yourself. Now here, the knowledge for coming. Let's pay close attention. Are you analyzing that when the market open, the market should sell to this place before the continuation of the buy? You might be right. But just because you've done that analysis according to your own kind of setup, doesn't mean that the market is going to do it now. And it doesn't mean that the market must do it 100%. So failure to admit and to understand this part, now another challenge they be to us day traders. Make we know the fee say Now we they control the market. No matter how your TP take a knock back to back. God has been helping you. You have been smashing TPs, but that doesn't mean that you are the one controlling the chart. That is why I keep saying this in every of our classes, that your analysis might be right, but God will first of all chop your stop loss before moving in your direction. It doesn't make you a bad person. It doesn't make you a bad trader. The only thing is that your analysis was right. Oh, you predicted that the market will buy, but the market first said blow all of your account, come out all your money, then it call it a buy. That means your analysis be there right, but you did not wait patiently for the confirmation of when the market will do that particular analysis. So now two different things it be. You analyzing the market and be right is different from you analyzing the market and getting the entry right. I pray God will open our eyes to see what I'm saying, because it's going to help a lot of us here, especially the beginners. Especially the beginners. So what do we do? What then do we do? What are you supposed to do? Whenever you do such analysis, I keep saying this, don't be biased. Why doing all of those things? No just even assume say the market no fit do the opposite. No assume say the market no fit do the opposite. Market has the right to do the opposite times 1 million. Yes, what makes you a professional is the ability to spot it on time and follow the market. See, wetin dey majorly dey carry our money, no be say market no dey do wetin we analyze. Na pride, or let me call it ego. We go wan make the market do wetin we want. Na dey make us blow account and the market go still later do wetin we analyze. So if you can learn tonight from this live stream that the market is always right, that it is you that always need to align itself, his account, with what the market makers are planning or are doing, the better for you. We are one big digital family here, and I know very well that God has been helping us. You see, this week we are going to make more profit, but irrespective of how we pray and ask God to guide us, to direct us, for us to make that good profit, that doesn't mean that all our analysis are going to go our way as analyzed. So it takes what I am explaining now, which is that you be humble and be very, very disciplined by following strictly. Just follow exactly whatever you are analyzing. Just follow it. Whenever you analyze anything, just follow it. And whenever you are doing such analysis, always have what I call your escape route. Your escape route is not your stop loss. That is not what I mean. Your escape route while doing your top-down analysis is not your stop loss. So guys, if you are joining us from YouTube, we have 173 persons watching us live on YouTube. Please subscribe to the channel, click on the bell icon, and please do me a favor by liking the live. Click on the top sub button below. Click on the top sub button below, guys. Please, if you are watching from YouTube, support this stream, support this live stream, support this channel. And the people on TikTok, please, you guys are no longer encouraging. We only have 63 persons and we have 6K likes. Please, let's encourage the live. If the 63 persons are watching us on TikTok and double tap at least for 1 or 2 or 3 minutes, at least we go far. Enjoy. Now, you see, anytime we do something like this, now they always observe, say they get people where they always come the live stream, called do say no level for what we do. But me no be say I don't know, say the people, majority of them now beginner traders. I know. No be today I start to the trade. I know. Say a lot of them is either they are strongly with blowing of account, it's either the person just lost money, or the person they face 1 or 2 challenge where big pass am, you understand? Or the person is not even a trader, he's just coming to say all of those stuff where they in mind. But you need to understand something. The fact that I said it doesn't make it 100% automatically right. Let's be sincere here. Listen to what I'm try to talk. See, I'm a day trader. I'm a full-time trader. I make money from the chart. And that is why I'm teaching you this thing here on YouTube. Listen. Majority of the time, not majority of the time, we've passed that level. Sometimes we will do analysis and the market will play out what we analyze 100% as analyzed without anything out. And that time, so we'll be always happy. Some other time, we will do analysis. The market will chop our stop loss and still do what we analyze. Then some other time, we will do our analysis. The market will chop our stop loss and continue in that stop loss direction. But now, do you know what is keeping us as traders? Not that the market know they chop stop loss. It is that discipline. I don't know if any of us here even have a trading plan, but definitely I know if you're a student of JForest Academy, you should have a trading plan, because I keep sending it to the group for those people, because I use it to teach sometimes in our platform. Now, having my personal trading plan, you will see that it's not just a trading plan, it's a well-defined trading plan. There are some things that you will see before you execute, and after you execute a trade, there are something that you will see that will make you exit that trade. Are we together? So that is what I mean by, as you are doing your top-down analysis, always make sure you look out for your escape route. So your escape route, like I said earlier, is not stop loss. Your escape route is that particular structure that will violate your original expectation, your original analysis. For instance, you analyze the market to buy. You analyze a buy to happen on gold. Your escape route na place where we say, Baba, if market can go paraventure, can go break below here, it don't violate that particular buy where we analyze. It means say we were wrong. So at this point, and it just confirms say, this market will continue the sell and it will go far. So at that point, it is better for you to learn how to quickly accept your losses and follow what the market is doing. You see that particular space. So that is the gap between being consistent in profit and keep funding and blowing and funding and blowing. Because majority of the time when you blow your account, most of the times, if you see say you blow your account, reason go back, you go see say, now when you dey try revenge, where you lose money, for instance, maybe you come to the market on Monday morning, God bless you, you make like 2K with your account of $500, you just make 2K, now your account got 25, you will now be happy. Now, immediately, you will be feeling invisible. Many traders, many of us, we will now be feeling invisible. We'll be feeling that we now know every single thing about the market, that you can no longer be wrong. That your analysis will always go as analyzed because you just make 2K with your 500. Now, you will do another analysis just to make more money, because that is the greed, that is the spirit. That is why many people, they say trading a gamble, but trading no be sporting, trading our business. Now we people, now person, now we be the traders gamblers, but trading no be the, you understand? Now, instead of you, because whenever you make that money, if you observe, you always lose money. Why do you lose money? That is personal. Now something where they personal, that thing no be everybody they do. Many traders that traders business don't do that thing where they do so where they blow your account. So if you want to be consistent in profit, you will learn to, whenever you make money and you observe that you still want to trade, if you do analysis for a buy, there should always be a place that was the market violate, was the market breaks, it has automatically violated your buy analysis and just confirm the sell analysis. So it is how wise or how disciplined you are that will tell if you will admit and accept your losses on time. So anytime we call a blow account, so now when we do analysis, even when the market they go against us, we no more accept the losses. We go see they enter more. Maybe you analyze a buy, you take a buy trade, the market they sell. You go fair use vaccination, delete your stop loss because you know why accept the loss. As the market drop, go down, instead of you to just accept loss and follow and do the, you go just knock better buy again from the bottom. Before you know, account don blow. So wetin you supposed to dey do na to always mark a particular place where na dey call your escape route. But I never show you. Let me now show you. Let's go straight to the chart now. Let me show you this particular analysis where should be the escape route. You see, on the 4 hours time frame, XAUSD has broken below the trend line. So according to market structure, we anticipate the market to pull back to the same trend line that was broken, which the market has already done. The market has done that already on Thursday. They continue the sell and test here, right? Now, for me to be sure that the market will do this, I still need to go down to the 1 hour time frame and make sure that I understand how the market will do the sell. Because the market is currently buying, you see they show buy body on 4 hours. So I will not use these 4 hour candles to know if actually the market will continue the sell or if it will still continue the buy. You understand? But for me to know, now lower time frame now go tell me. So that is why we still need to step it down on the 1 hour time frame. Then I will open my 1 hour chart. Guys, do you understand what I'm saying at all? Are we together? Guys, are we together? We did together for you.
Yes.
All right. So now on the 4 hours time frame, what we fed they do before. So if you observe that 4 hours time frame where we say it break out from that trend line, where we call the buy on Thursday, say make it pull back to that trend line. From 1 hour, now double top, now it reverse, better double top. I don't first talk this, just that many people know really they follow up. They don't really they understand how to do this analysis. See, if you did expect the higher time frame make it do pullback, if you want check the confirmation whether the higher time frame don't do pullback finish or whether the higher time frame whether it will really do the pullback, just go lower time frame, go look for reversal pattern. If you sabi use those time frames, you will see that you will always have upper hand of making more money at all times, or of getting the market right, of getting your analysis right. So that last week, before the market do this, it has already given us a clear reversal pattern on 1 hour, which happens to be double top. Then the market also break below a major support zone. Here was the major support zone where the market formed this double top. Here now major support as they buy they come before. So if you decide to put your line for that double top, for that major support zone around here, you observe that when we call anticipate, say make the market do pull back, when we anticipated the pullback on that 4 hours time frame, the same 1 hour time frame gave us another reversal pattern again called a double bottom. See, make we just understand how those time frames work. We dey use wetin dey happen for one time frame to confirm wetin we dey anticipate make another time frame do. But the higher time frame now they react, now they control the lower time frame. So how can you say 1 hour just give us reversal pattern here, then again the same 1 hour still give us another reversal pattern here? Yes, it is because this 1 hour now is actually reacting to what is supposed to happen on 4 hours time frame. Yes. So it is your responsibility to always calm yourself down, go through all of those process to just to make sure say you understand what the market makers they do. Guys, this is just technical understand. This is just technical analysis. Technical analysis will not make you a saint, but you also need to learn how to use this information as a business-oriented man or woman to be consistent in profitability as a trader. Not be only these ones. No be they make money for person. This one will only make you profit. Maybe you take a trade, you win the trade. But if you actually want to stay there, if you want to continue that profitability, you need a business orientation of how to consistently use this information and how to balance yourself. I did a course, I dropped a course in my community where I taught you guys that you need to learn your relationship between you, the market, and the capital. That is when we start talking about the business orientation of forex trading. We are going to be looking at the relationship between you as the trader the market that you are trading and the capital that you are bringing to the market as a business person. So if you can learn to balance all of those information, you can learn to understand all those three things that I just mentioned now, you will be able to carve out your small space inside the forex industry. Just carve out that space of profitability. That is what it means. You cannot make everything in the market. They don't borrow you well. The only thing I just be say, may you carve out maybe 0.01 profit from the market, 0.001 profit from the market. That is what you can carve for yourself. I pray that God will give us understanding. So now, for us to know, as analyzed earlier, for us to know that the market supposed to do that sell. Remember now what we tried to talk with that. So on this 1 hour time frame, I go come mark this resistance here. Then I go mark here. Very, very simple. Now, if you do something like this, no emotion attached, no single emotion attached, no psychological play, anything whatsoever. Why? Because you don't already understand what they expect make the market do for higher time frame. So for the lower time frame, so what we just do now, just to mark out some zones where we say if the market violate them, we know what we could expect make the market do before another decision. So guys, I will be the people on YouTube, I will be disconnecting the microphone now. So I will plug the device that we are using to do this YouTube live. I've already disconnected it, but can you people still hear me? And also the people on TikTok, okay, let me leave TikTok. The people on YouTube, can you guys still hear me? No, TikTok is still using microphone. YouTube, can you guys say okay? Okay, I've removed the microphone from YouTube. So now, based on say, what we just analyze now, say, make the market for daily, say make it still push down before the continuation, before the market do the buy, and also a day like which we dey check from daily, on 4 hours. On 1 hour, I go quickly mark this resistance zone, which I have done already. Then I go mark here. You know what I go call do? I go remove every other thing where they here. I'm coming. So if we are together on this analysis, at least you suppose support the life now. Watch. I go just do something like this before I go sleep. I will say, if I wake up tomorrow morning, maybe I can open my laptop, I come in the market break above here, was it pull back, I no go ask the market why it break above am. I don't already know, say if you can break above here, definitely it's coming to this resistance. I go jejely they follow and they do the buy. Remember, no be my papa they control the market, no be my mama get the market. You understand? You no go need to fight them. Then if you call wake up that tomorrow, come and say, then it already continue the sell. If you break here to form here, look for from the pullback, look for your entry and knock the sell. That means he wants to continue, he wants to do that particular analysis where we don't do this night. So this thing, so see, when you learn to do this analysis like this, you no go even the reason, you no go the fear number one, you will not be emotionally attached to the market number two, you no go the do like giri, your body no go the do gaga, like you go the analyze, go the feel what of if you know, what of no. And if you come, maybe you be the analyze the market to buy. If you come inside the market they sell, you no go the fear, rather you go know what the market they do. So that is the major reason why we need to always do top-down analysis. I pray that God will help us. It's not easy. I'm not saying that everybody here is going to understand every single thing as I'm saying it. It will take some people months, some people days, some people weeks, some people hours, some people, as I'm saying it, God is helping them and they are grabbing it, they are understanding it. But even if you don't understand it, I need you to do yourself a favor. What is that? First of all, admit. First of all, admit that the forex market is not a try your luck industry. The forex market is an industry on it. It's a business. And this business is the business that is meant for the smartest people on earth. So it takes one certain level of discipline and understanding of the market makers if actually you want to be profitable, if you actually want to join the profitable traders. Now, during the beginning of this class, I said after the top-down analysis, we are also going to look at the spiritual part of the market. So that is where we are now before we end the class. Guys, please, never you make the mistake of thinking that the market will do what it will do. Market will not do what it will do. Market will do what it's doing based on what is happening according to the market maker, the big financial institution that are trading it. So the forex market is more spiritual than many people are taught. The forex market is more spiritual than you know. This is an industry where money changes every seconds. This is an industry where we trade money, where we trade destinies, where we trade the economy of a nation. This is an industry where economy of nations are being traded every single day. Now, I need you to understand that it is not just physical. It is not just based online. It is also spiritual. So there's a secret that I need you to apply this week. If you're a Christian or if you are not a Christian, whatever belief that you believe, I believe you can also pray. Now, if you're a Christian, on your altar of prayer, on your personal altar of prayer, or anytime you pray, maybe beside your bed anytime, ask God to first of all help you, and ask the Holy Spirit to connect you to the greater powers, to the greater mind, to the people that are controlling this market, to the people that actually have what it takes to control this forex market. See, when you are connected spiritually, you don't need to know the person one-on-one. The Holy Spirit will always help you to make those decisions. Why many people are saying buy? Now, don't join my life for how many times now? I'm not supposed to understand what they talk. I mean, our live trading section. We will come here, we'll be selling. People will be seeing buy opportunity. No, they are seeing it, and the market actually they show saying now buy, now they buy. But we will enter say, and now we go win the trade. But, sir, this thing is more of what you are seeing or what you are thinking. Sometimes you need to connect with that power, with that forces that control the market, with the financial. See, the forex market is not just like every other industry. We are trading money here. We are trading economy. If you are trading XAUUSD today, that means you are trading gold over the United States economy. If you are buying gold today, that means you are buying gold expecting the dollar to devaluate. That is why you are buying gold, so that gold will skyrocket and the economy of the United States to go down. And when the economy go down, that means the dollar, their money, they devalue. Be waiting in me now. So it is more than you even they think. So make we stop to the think say this forex market now just something where we dey say now something where we go just dey do she. You understand? I am not saying that you should bring religious into it. That is not what I mean. But I am telling you that you should always be cautious and make sure that you have a clear understanding that there are people controlling this market, and those people that are controlling the market, which those people that we call the market makers, there are people that contribute to the economy. Those are economy changes, and those are the destiny makers of every economy. So you need to understand what I'm trying to say. So you need to learn to align your spirit, man. Ask God to connect you with their mind. The Bible said the heart of the king is in the heart of the king, is in the hand of the Lord, and the Lord turneth it wheresoever he wish. So God can actually turn your heart to understand what they are planning or what they are doing. I pray that God will help us. So now, what next? Let's do a little business orientation before we end the class. We've tried. At least I still need to rest before the market open. Now, if you are here tonight, you don't have another job. You don't have another job that you are doing. And you are just coming to the forex market. Baba, don't deceive yourself. Make sure say you tell yourself your current level. Make sure you understand your current financial status. Now, if you can't go forget your current status, that is what will make you to react to the market anyhow. That will make you do anything when you like. And that is not business wise. If you are a day trader here, you don't have another job. Listen, we are going somewhere. You don't have another job as at now, and you want to be a full-time trader, and you are not rich. You are not that, like, you are not that financially buoyant ruggedly. First, tell yourself the truth, and make sure you understand your current status at all times. Because the moment you forget your current status, the moment you forget that you don't have a job, and I wish you had a job, maybe you were working in the bank and your salary is 1 million naira every month, that means your day pay is going to be 30,000 naira. So if they are paying you 30k every day, in a month you should be receiving like 1 million naira. Abi? So now listen. As a forex trader, a beginner for that matter, who is just coming, if you always remember yourself and you no forget, you go know say, and you want to pay yourself salary of 1 million because you are a beginner monthly, you only need like $22, $23 profit every day. And did you know that most beginners here, in a day before they blow their account, many of them go make like $200, $100 before they finally blow their $300 account? Yes, go and verify. Many will make so much profit. After they make the profit, that profit that they make is what will now cause them to blow everything. So you need to understand that in this market, it is a business, and you need to always understand the business part if actually you want to be. See, let's prioritize consistency over a start winning trade. At the end of the month, what did you go home with? How much you carry go house? At the end of the week, how much you make? We not deceive ourselves. This is pure. We are talking business now. We don't need to sympathize with anybody or do any. We are talking business wise now. At the end of the week, how much you carry go house? How much you take start no really matter, but how much you carry go house? Now, did you know that many people were later go house with blown accounts last week? Do you know that many of them actually make good money on Monday? Do you know that many of them make good profit on Tuesday? Do you know that many of them make good profit on Wednesday? But do you still know many of them that make those good profit, they later went home broke on Friday, on Thursday where the market closed? So, you first of all need to, like I said, tell yourself the truth, cross your heart, that you want to be a forex trader full-time. So if actually you want to be a forex trader full-time, please understand that you should always remember this my word, that you should always prioritize consistency over instant winnings. When I say you should prioritize consistency over instant winnings, forex is a game of numbers. Now numbers, if you are good in addiction, if you are good in adding numbers together, if you are good in adding numbers, you go understand in a month you go fit dey pull out better block from the forex market, even as a beginner, without doing too much, without making all the big profit that you are seeing at them. And because you see this market, last week we were doing a class here and I told you guys, I said the simplicity of the forex market is what makes it the hardest profession on earth. This market today easy, where we say now based on say they easy, now it make her hard, now it be the hardest part. The easy when it easy, now it make her the hardest, because as it dey easy, so many of us are not wired, are not programmed to do easy stuff. We want to do it ruggedly, we want to do it arrogantly, we want to approach it with, you understand. But if you learn to just keep it cool, keep it calm, keep it simple, in a long run, e no dey easy. I'm not saying that e dey easy, but you need to understand say now when you give yourself the task that this week I want to work in line with this information, and you try am, even as you dey try am along the line that week, there will still be some point where you go feel still go against it, because now we dey set rules, now we still dey break our rules by our own self. Have you not seen it before? Are you a learner? You should not be a learner by now. You should understand that the forex market is so addictive in a way that you might be hailing yourself that you are a disciplined man, but come to the forex industry and prove to me if actually you are disciplined. Because the forex market will actually naked you, and the forex market will show me that look at this here, man, this one no even dey discipline. Shebi you say you no go do this thing, see, no be wetin you say you no go do, no be you later do so. Shebi the account don blow now, shebi your eye don clear. So the forex market will always break the real you out. But because you are determined and you want to become a full-time trader, sir, not be everybody go be forex traders. If I should end this live stream now on YouTube, at least we must have for don't get like maybe 7 to 8K viewers here on YouTube. If I should end it now, you will see that we don't get like 8K people will watch this live stream today. But that 8K people, I swear to God, don't be everybody go be forex trader. Come on for there. The people will go be forex trader no pass like this. Shouldn't everybody be banker? Why you know they do banking job? Why you know be banker? Shouldn't everybody be producer? Even everybody, why you know they produce song? May you blow as a producer. Shouldn't everybody be doctor? Not everybody be pilot. So in the same vein, everybody cannot become a trader. Everybody cannot just become a trader. We need to understand these things. But if you now decide that you want to become a trader, that means all those things where we dey talk so is necessary, is a must that you follow step by step. Then sometimes you will break those rules by yourself. Then you will learn the hard way and you will come back again, guide yourself again, pick up those your broken pieces, start again. Now what to go actually make the story sweet in the long run, na be that actually. Another thing no go make the story sweet. If you start am today, maybe you start to dey make money. No say you for no come into the forex market. Your father for the trade now. Your grandfather for don enter forex that 90, 60 something. Therefore don dey make money. But many of them actually heard of how this market works. But not be all of them fit one, because you know they easy. So even many JZs that are claiming to be smart, to be computer wise, they go come, the market go bite the person in less than 6 months. The person don't give up. The person go write a give up note. They go write and bold. They go start to tell people say, more forex now sporty bet where we are suit. That is why I keep saying, if you watch well, people where they tag forex trading say na sporty bet, na people where the market don't bite. As well, na people where the market no work for. Now people where we say greedy people where come to the market, but when the market bite them, no give them what they want, they will not tag the market as another thing. I pray that God will help us. So some persons have been saying something that the market today market is closed, that the market will not open. Let's quickly check the fundamentals. Today now Easter Monday. Today Easter Monday. Though we know they go office today now. Everybody know I've been saying this since last week. Now tomorrow our office will open. So today I feel sleep all day. Let's quickly check our fundamentals. Let's see what we have. Okay. The Sydney market will not open, but the Tokyo market will open. And also the London market will not open. The London market will not open, but the New York market will open by 1 p.m. Nigeria time. Yes, now Sunday night we did too. This is just 10:25, 10:28, sorry. So we still have like 2 hours before the market go open, which is the Tokyo market, that Asia section. Tokyo go open. That means JPYs. Let's see something. Let's confirm something. Go to okay, like the New Zealand. Like the New Zealand, there's bank holiday. In Australia, there's bank holiday. In China, there's bank holiday. In Switzerland, there's bank holiday. Then even in Germany and all those French, all those Italia, bank holiday. So that is why you see say the the London section no go trade. Should be you see I'm saying London section no go trade. The London section no go open today. Say I'm go open tomorrow, 24 hours and another 9 hours. Okay, just stay in this live stream. I have answers to that question. He said, can I ask you a question? For some person who is working a 9 to 5 job, if I want to keep up with the following, now just stay tuned. Get what I will show you now. Then look at Shebuna, the year the market where they go get back holiday. Then in London, back holiday. Most of the pairs no go trade at all, no. But the US market go open. That is why I said gold go trade. Gold go trade. Gold no trade on Thursday. But the US market will open by 1 p.m. Nigeria time. So you go feel make gold trade. Don't say gold now. Gold is a commodity. So gold versus the USD. Once the US market is open, gold will trade. But if you are trading gold SZD, for instance, or gold GBP, you know where there's gold GBP, you will not trade. Guys, are we together? So now, let me quickly answer that question, then we move forward. Somebody said, you are a 9-to-5 worker. I've done something here during our last year 5-day trading marathon where we do 2 weeks to that marathon trading section. I did a course on TikTok. It was a free section. I said, in that course, what we do, we say, if you're a 9-to-5 worker, come in. Let's draw out a trading plan for you. Not just a trading plan on how you will be joining people's life or all of that. No. A trading plan on how you should take your job and attach it with your forex trading. Now, if you're a 9-to-5 worker living in Nigeria and you are meant to resume your office by 8 a.m. Nigeria time and they close by 5 to 6 p.m. Nigeria time, listen carefully. See, you cannot be trading, because you trading forex is your personal business. You cannot be doing your personal business in another mass company except you already say me they sack you. And you see, the forex market always they pay people where we say they always people where get backup plans, people where have financial backup. Now make it hard for you to see person where broke make am on time in forex, and I mean they tell you take it anywhere. People where they quick make money from the chart, now people where we say they know they trade with emotion. People where easily where master their emotion on time. People where master the psychology of trading on time. And those people, now people where we say they have something, they have another thing, another source of income. So they're not going to trade with pressure. They're not going to trade with their life problem. They're not going to carry their life problem called the market. Because many beginners today where we say they don't get job, they are come to this market to trade so that they will make money and be able to pay their house rent. Many are coming to the market today to trade so that they will make money and withdraw so that they will fit buy food stuff. And the market doesn't need that daily life pressure. Once you bring that kind of pressure come the market, forget about now time you go take, that money go blow. Now me they tell you, we fit go anything, put them on top. So now, if you're a 9-to-5 worker in Nigeria, first of all, I will tell you, you have done well by having another job. That means, I am telling you now directly, you should not quit your job. Even if your plan is to become a full-time trader, but don't quit that your job. Let me help you with what I've taught before. I think that was last year. Now, and this thing, we had a lot of testimonies from it to that last year. People were put out to work. Now come see, if you be say you dey work for person and you dey resume office by 8 o'clock Nigeria time and you dey close by 5-6 in the evening, I want make you do something in the next 4 months. In the next 4 months, if you need a personal guide or a personal help, I can do that for you. But in that next 4 months, you are going to overstretch, like you are going to do what you've not done before, which is, if you be say you be dey sleep around maybe 9 o'clock in the evening after you don't come back from your work, and you dey wake up around 5 o'clock to start preparing for your job. Now based on say you want do forex, you go still dey sleep around that 9 o'clock, but make sure say you wake up around 1 to 2. The reason why you need to dey wake up around 1 to 2 is because the trading plan when I go give you as a 9-to-5 worker in Nigeria, that trading plan is not permitting you to trade gold. It's not permitting you to trade the major pairs. The only pair that you are permitted to be trading are the exotic pairs. And those exotic pairs, we all know that they move better and move faster at night and during early hours of the day. Pairs like the JPY, the SZDs, the AUD, 99, I think they move well. The New Zealand, the Australian dollar, all those ones, they move for night. Unlike the GBP USD where they move for day. unlike gold where really they move for day. So now if you're a 9 to 5 worker living in Nigeria, first of all, like I said, you have to give yourself 6 months, 4 months, and in that 4 months, I need you to stretch yourself, which is that stretching yourself is you are going to be overworked. Like if you be say you dey wake up around 4 or 5 in the morning before, this 4 months I want make you be determined to be waking up by 2 or maybe by 2 3, you understand, by 2 3 or 4 o'clock. If you are waking up by 3:30, then you use your 30 minutes to do your technical and fundamental analysis, then you trade between that hour till 4 5 before you prepare for your work, you call go work. Then now the trading plan that I will give you, this is what the trading plan that is. Now what it is, and now I will show you. So the trading plan will tell you the pairs, the best pairs that you can be trading as at that time, because as at that time that will be the best trading section in that particular pair. You understand? For instance, if you are trading SZD/USD, if you are trading AUD, if you are trading JPYs, all those pair, the best time to trade them. Then I will tell you the best. I will map it out for you on that trading plan. Then I will tell you how you are going to be, because it's going to be a challenge. So it's either you are starting with a $50 or $100 or $1,000, no how much at all where you feel afford. You understand? Because that consistency now be the first focus where we try build. So that consistency at the end of the month, were you able to pay yourself outside your job? You understand? By following this principle. Now you are going to be trading only 2 hours every single day. Some days you might not see the setup, but any day that we see the setup after checking 1 or 2 or 3 4 pairs, once you see the setup, you execute the trade and you let it run. Put your stop loss and put your take profit. Now outside that, we are going to be teaching you how to do that monthly trading challenge. This is what I mean. You started with $100 account. There's a blueprint that you are supposed to use that $100 account at least. Are you able to make $100 at the end of that month following this principle? I know the trading challenge where we start this month now $20, where we don't do for years. We still do on this month $20 to $1,000. It's a marathon challenge, but that one is for scalpers. It's not a day trading. But this one, as a day trader, you might be focusing on making 40% of your $100 at the end of the month, according to the trading plan where we draw. Now, if you can do it consistently for 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, without breaching any of those principles. Now, in that 4 months, you are not supposed to be profitable for that 4 months. But if you are profitable all through the 4 months, fine. But if you are not like that 4 months, if you be say 1 month, now you end that month in losses, it doesn't really mean. What means is that you were able to keep to that consistency. You were able to keep to your trading plan. Like, you do not trade outside your trading plan. You know, they carry your phone when you dey work, maybe they trade for person job, for person business place, or you know they are do what you supposed to do. You know, they see because the market don't they move fast, you can, because of that, can go jump enter market, something when you not supposed to do ordinarily. So if you can guide yourself for 4, 3, 5 months and you see I'm saying your strategy is working, definitely you feel they look on how to set up your trading office, professional trading office in your house. But before all of this, remember, you cannot do all of this if you don't have a strategy. They know they do attached trading join your job where you never learn how to trade, because learning trading are another different thing entirely. And if you are working, if you have a 9 to 5 job, you dey work for person and you want to learn trading and also dey trade at the same time, baba, the pressure no be here, and the kind of money where you go blow no be here, and the way you go take give up no be here. You go give up with speed. You understand? So the best thing, if you have a job, the first thing is to get the knowledge, get it right. Now, as you are trying to get the knowledge, be practicing what that person is teaching you with a live account, not a demo account. Don't learn Forex with a demo account. It's a trap. Be practicing it with a live account, with small live account, like small money. For year, no amount where we know they trade. for na face there on day before yesterday, on Friday. On Friday na $3. Na $3 now we take start this account. Na BTC, only BTC now we dey trade o. Na $3 now we dey this account. But now na say na $4 now e dey, $34 now e dey so. Only today I don make $9, almost $10 on this account today. Because before we close, that yesterday was around 20 something dollars. You understand? So you can be a beginner trader and learn the forex market without trading a demo. Don't trade demo, is a trap. I keep saying it, don't trade demo. Instead, be trading small account, small amount. If possible, trade a cent account if you cannot afford good money. You understand? Trade a cent account. Emeka Daisy said, how does that happen? It happens the same way you will normally analyze your trade and take your trade now. My brokers allows me to trade. I am trading what is called unlimited leverage. I am trading with what is called unlimited leverage. So with an unlimited leverage, you can open positions with as low, even with $1 you can open a position. But depending on the pair that you are trading, you cannot open a position on gold with $1. But I can, with my Exness account, I can actually open a good position with $2. I think $2.5. I can open gold position with 0.01. You understand? So there's no limit to how much where you fit trade. But the only thing we say, I am saying all of this, but we are still on that BTC trade now that we executed. This trade we are all executed from this live stream. Now live stream here we for do all of those trade when I dey talk to. No be saying now something when I do call show you. We were together, we did the analysis and we executed the trade by ourselves. So this one is not a, this one na $900 account. So I just take see my take profit here, never reach there. And based on say it still dey go my way, I don't need to jump out from the market. It's still in my direction. It never violates what we analyze. So I'm still in the trade, holding my position right. Understand? We still dey about 180 something, but this still don't ferry $300 to do. And just dey do that pullback, let me make a leave. You understand? So the thing they very. So for me, if I'm telling what I'm telling you now, is I really want you to make sure, first of all, make sure you understand the forex market before you can make that decision of if you want to do that 4-month challenge as a day trader and also as someone that is working in 9 to 5. If you don't have a business, if you don't have a strategy, don't attempt it. It no go work for you life. It's not going to work. So guys, if you have any question, please unmute yourself and confirm, ask the question, then we answer, then we can shut down.
Hello, coach.
Yeah,
I have a question.
All right.
Hello, coach. This is someone. Thank you. I joined you about less than a week ago.
Okay.
And you've given me so much value. And I want to tell everybody here, I'm not personally advertising, but I can boldly tell you that it's actually giving a good value. So that's one part. And here's my question. I want to do all this drawing without having trading view paid plan with a free plan. I don't think it's possible.
It's possible now. I don't pay trading view. This is a free plan.
Okay, maybe I will engage you. I need to know how I can have a platform like this.
Are you connected? Are you connected to this class with a laptop?
Yes.
Oh yeah, share your screen with. You know what I will do now? Okay, I'm calling you directly now on Telegram so that you will share your screen with me. Let me guide you on what to do.
All right, sir.
Oh, I don't call check the name before I end the call. Where I go for CM now? Personal. Okay, I think this is the one.
Okay, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay, let me first of all share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, I can see your screen.
Oh yeah, share your own.
That's start video, right? Or share
No.
or screencast.
Yes, screencast.
Okay. Okay. Just a minute, coach. I can't. Okay. I'm trying to see. Okay. Screencast. Okay. I'm on share screen. Can you see my screen, coach?
You've not? Yes.
This
Oh yeah, why did this thing now? Why did this thing? Okay, no worry. All right. See this your screen, eh? See as it dey scatter. You no even dey arrange at all. Secondly, hey Jesus Christ, how you take dey use this trading view? And these numbers, my own dey left, your own dey right. So wetin we go first do now? Do you like the interface of this your trading view, or you would like to change it to make it look like what I'm using?
let it be like the one you are using.
Okay. You know, you are currently using some indicators there. You added some indicators to your chart already, like the ROSI that you are using. So,
I can remove them.
okay. Oh yeah, clear your chart.
Okay. Okay. This. Sorry.
Once we are done deleting, make I know. Just try to delete everything.
Okay. Okay, I finished deleting.
Yes.
So I make it a
no. So you see this
white screen.
No. You can decide to make it a white screen first. Now you sabi do am abi?
Yes, I think I know.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Yeah, that is it. You will see. No be that oh. You no click am.
Light. It's white now.
Yes. So you see this thing that looks like a brush here. Can you see my cursor? Yes. Yeah. Click on that beside it. Not click on the body of the brush. Oh yeah, click am now.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Don't click on.
Oh yeah, this rotated rectangle now. Start it again. Start the rotated rectangle first. Rotated rectangle. No, that one. The second one.
Okay.
Start it.
Okay.
Then that circle. Start it.
Okay.
Start the other one. That ellipse.
Okay.
Scroll down. Let me see if there is any other one that we've not started already. Okay.
Double curve, heart, triangle.
Oh yeah. You fit comot for here.
Arrow. This arrow, is it necessary?
You fit start one arrow there. Me, I dey use the one wey dey the up. The second, the first one.
Okay, this one.
Yes.
Okay.
Now comot for here. You can see. Comot, go back to the chart. Now, this chart where you dey so this your screen e get the way I take dey see am from here. I no know whether na so e take dey be for there. Those things where we start now, where dem dey?
Okay. They still dey inside here.
No, they no suppose dey inside there now. You are styling them so that they go dey front of the chart like this, like my own. No make this chart show complete. Do as e suppose dey once you open am from your browser.
Okay. Now them dey down.
Yeah, drag am come the screen. Make I see am small. Make I dey see there.
Now them be this.
So what be that thing where you say make you do now? Say as you dey draw, whether you feel they draw those things.
all these
Mark where we dey
okay.
mark, so you don't say
Okay, say okay, maybe
yes, he
okay,
mark.
I need to change the color.
He mark. Let's change the color. Oh yeah,
Okay.
from there, so tap am again.
Yes.
You go see the color here.
Okay.
Oh yeah, first put better color
Okay.
as you want.
Okay, maybe yellow.
Wait now, no, now click am again. Click am, put purple first. Put that purple color. Make I show you something. Then you go scroll that. Go back there. Go back there. Go back there. Go back to that place where you for put that purple color. Now that color, that first thing where you do now. Yes.
Okay.
Oh yeah, come down. You will see opacity now. Increase the opacity.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Now why you know the you understand?
Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for giving me the opportunity.
So now,
okay. Now
you know the other time for class, so I was trying to explain to you how we take the draw those stuff. I believe that should be the next thing where you suppose understand now. How do we draw those things? Where with the mark? Let's quickly do a 10 minutes explanation on that. Where and where you're supposed to be mark. So let me go to my chart. So now, when it comes to marking those zones, we know they just the mark, and those markings where we dey mark, they are not decorations. Those markings, we are not marking them because we want
don't
to.
mind this. I was trying to mark before.
Now I understand. Now I'm not forget. Now I just dey talk my own here. Give you those are not. I'm not responding to what you are doing. So now we are not marking those places for marking sake. We are marking them because of two things. Number one, see, remember in the forex market, we only have buyers and sellers, Abi?
Yes.
And if we say buyers are in charge, that means we are saying that the market is in an uptrend, Abi?
Yes.
And if we say sellers are in charge, that means we are saying that the market is downtrend, Shebi?
Yes.
All right. Now, if we say buyers are in an uptrend like this, with this thing now, this particular trend where you see like this now, this is a clear uptrend, Shebi?
Yes.
Okay.
Now,
what to make we dey call this a trend? Now, based on say this market, if you are before a reverse, after a reverse here, it go form resistance, it go do sell, which is pullback, it go continue, then it go break somewhere like here, which we call resistance, Abi. It go form a new one.
Yes.
Then it go pull back again. It go continue the buy. It go break this resistance. It go form a new one. So now, you see those things where we dey draw. Anytime we see say market form structure, either resistance or support, we dey always mark am. We dey always mark that up, that resistance zone. Why we dey mark am be say not because of say the line have the potential of rejecting the market. No, we are marking that zone so that if market come back there and we call the see say e no dey fit break am, we go fit know say omo ever since market form this resistance e never break am o. For instance, so in an uptrend like this, like what we have here now, market was actually doing up a clear market structure, which is it go break resistance, pull back, continue the buy, break resistance to form a new resistance. It go do pull back again, continue the buy, break this resistance to form a new resistance. It do pull back again, continue the buy, break here, form here, pull back again. Now you see say the market was actually breaking it, Abi, until the market come form this resistance here. So when the market form this resistance here, before all those other candles come form, so anytime we come the market, we are supposed to first of all mark our resistance zone. Very, very important. Mark your resistance and mark your support. So now, as we mark here, because it's more the market do pull back, then it come back to that place, e no fit break am. That means something don dey happen. So I'm just trying to tell you why we dey mark. So we are marking them first of all, make we tell know whether the market still dey break a particular structure or you know dey break particular structure. Then now, how do we know exactly where to mark? Why marking? You see, in the forex market, or with what I am teaching you, I'll be teaching you something called market structure. So before I explain further, I want to confirm, did you remember or do you still know what market structure is?
Yes, I remember.
Market structure is the way the market they move, the patterns, which is something like this. You go buy, you go pull back, continue to buy, break here, form a higher high, pull back again.
Higher high, lower high.
Yes. Now you see this thing. So this market structure when I draw now, which kind of market structure it be? Uptrend, Abi?
Uptrend.
But
yes, uptrend.
Even in this uptrend, you see those places where be like where circle. Those places where circle.
Yes.
If you observe, anytime the market buy, when it buy reach here, it call start to the sell. It no fit buy past there immediately. Eh? You see that place so where it start to the sell, so where we get that dot, that circle dot, there with the column structure. Yes. Now there be the structure. Then the market call sell, it call sell reach all of a sudden, no fit sell past there, it call first start to the buy. Then that place so where if start to the buy, so there with the column structure. Wetin e mean be say na place where they for make decision. Buyers be dey carry the market they go up, but it come by reach here, they made a decision here that cause that particular sell move. So there we dey always call structure. So you as a price action trader, what makes you a professional price action trader is the ability to read the information behind every structure, because that is what I taught you last week. I said last week, let me quickly rephrase that last week. I said if you come this market and you want to do analysis as a price action trader, what do we they look out for? Now we go only they try to understand if the information behind every structure. So those places now with the cost structure, where market, where anywhere we have a red candle and a green candle in this case, anywhere we have sellers and buyers, there in our structure. So in this case, now let's use the live market. I open my chart and I did 1 hour time frame. The first thing where go come on mind now, the market be day uptrend before. If you observe, the market be day uptrend.
Yes.
So that place where the buy reach for that uptrend, we dey call am major resistance, because for the uptrend where the market be day before, now here now it buy reach, no buy pass here, never buy pass here for this particular for the previous uptrend when it did. So we dey mark am so that in case something can happen, you can see price above that resistance, that means the market now buyer still dey in charge ruggedly. You understand? But for now, market never fit break am. Then when the market they form this double bottom, so we have a structure here, which is we have a sell candle and a buy candle here. We dey always mark am. Me and they always mark am. Why are they mark am? After for market where we dey uptrend like this, from here you see say e form reversal pattern called the double top. Wetin happen here? So the information behind this structure where I mark now, so we dey call am double top. Now market form a double top, then continue the sell trade, breaks below the double top, the support where they there, which is this particular place. The market break below. So you see, I'm say now based on say I mark am, now I make and they use the word say e break. You understand? I mark that particular support. Then you say the market sell below the, meaning it has broken this particular support. So the buy where we they do since that Thursday, so now say make it pull back to this place where it break, then continue the sell. So now if I dey mark now, if you consider say the what we call analyze this evening, we say here now we have another structure there, which I sell the information here is also a double bottom. If the carry market go up, gold market don't open. The gold market don't open. Shebi we talk about this sell now. We talk about this sell. I tell people about this sell. Say this gold, me I go expect they go first sell before the continuation of the buy. You understand? The gold market don't open. So now the market gave us a double bottom here. Then you can observe say it break above here. To form here. So as the market got open now, it's currently penetrating here. So what we do, thank God say I never end the live stream. What we analyze was that if the market open and we see price close below here, remember this is 11 o'clock. I'm talking about by 12 o'clock now. This candle where open so go don't close. You understand? But if it close and we see say it close and the red candle there below here, that means that particular analysis where we analyze say the market will set back to that daily support, so it dey valid. So we suppose see price continue the sell or to test that particular support before the continuation of the buy again. And before that 12 o'clock, if the Congo reject this candle, then the candle can go close above this resistance. Was it pull back, it's supposed buy reach this other major resistance right here. You understand what I just talk?
Yes.
Because remember say now make we dey mark all those places, now make we dey mark all those support resistance, or anywhere we have a structure is supposed to be marked. Anywhere we get structure where we say price dey around, you understand, price dey around that region, supposed to mark am just to confirm whether price go fit break am or price no go fit break am. Now if price break any structure, you need to understand how e take break am, which kind of information. Remember, penetration is not the same as breaking. What do I mean by that? There's difference between a pin bar and a candlestick. Pin bar na rejection. I mean those wink, those things where we dey call wink, all those wink, all those pin bar.
Okay, yes.
Pin bar no mean say when you see say the market, you see say when I wan draw this particular line, I draw am for where the body of the candle for start. I no mark the pin bar. Yes, I know we know the mark pin bar. Pin bar no get straight like that. Wetin e mean be say when the market be dey sell, e sell reach here. Then before the closing of that particular candle, they started rejecting it. They rejected it. So that is what we call a rejection pin bar. E no really get the strength of this particular candle. Now where the body dey, now the body na be the strength of the candle. The body of the candle is the strength of the candle, not the pin bar. The pin bar no really make no get straight. E no be say no get straight at all. E only dey show you where e sell reach before or where e buy reach before the other people enter and come reject the price. Did you understand, sir?
Yes, sir.
So now, sorry, 11 o'clock don reach. I no go wan make 11:30 reach before I close the class because you get wetin I wan do. Now,
yes,
as this market don open, now wetin you need to just do now, because we no need to dey emotionally move because market don open. Do you know that there are a lot of people that as this market open now, as this market open now, their mind go dey do gbim because they go reason say omo the trouble for the week, the problem of the week has started again. So it's either the person will be thinking like it's either I make profit or I make losses. So the person peace of mind go just lost, and it's not supposed to be like that. It's not supposed to be like that. So for us to overcome that, what you always need to do now, keep it simple. Now you know how much dey your account, your trading account. So anytime you dey trade, you know your risk appetite. Now you know how much where you willing to let go if the market dey go against your analysis. So that means before you enter the trade, you suppose don't do your analysis, top down analysis like the type where we do today. So you can see that the market is currently selling, but people were not even seeing this sell because the market was actually buying before the closing of the week. But the market now, if they do say they go down, but that is not all. That is not the confirmation. Make we see say it close below here, because like I said, before you go execute any sell trade, make sure say you see am say it close below this support zone. If it close below, from the pullback, take the sell. The market wants to complete that particular daily pullback before it continues the buy. And if you can see say before this 1 hour candle, they can reject this market, they can reject that it can go close above here. No take the sell trade o, just jejely enter the buy trade. And the market will continue to come and test this major resistance zone before any other thing. So you go see say when you learn to mark all of those zones, you will not be trading with fear, you will not be trading with emotion, you will not be trading with trial, you will not be doing trial luck. Rather, you will be trading confirmations of what you know. So anyone where the market confirm, you go understand what they do, and you go feel they make good, cool decision. I pray that God will help us. It's not easy.
Amen.
It's not easy. The market don't open again now, so I just pray that this week every member of the community will go make money together. So, but office no dey open today.
Amen.
So I believe why I want end this life now, there are some things that I want to attend to because we go do life from here. Once I wake up by the London section, I will come live. We go trade live here because I know they go office today. So now this my trading office there for us. Now we go for trade online, not through today until tomorrow Tuesday when office go open. God bless you guys. And for the people that join us today on YouTube, I really appreciate you guys. I saw the massive love. People were double tapping. But please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, still do me a favor to click on the subscribe button and also click on that bell icon. So whenever we go live, you will always be notified that we are live and you can always join our live today section. Emeka Dizzy said, sir, please attend to me now. What is that? Did you ask any question? How much is mentorship? You can always send direct message to me or WhatsApp to join either our physical mentorship or online. Our physical mentorship, we have our office at Igondo, Lagos State, where we trade every single day, Monday to Thursday, except to know today na Easter Monday, so we know they open today till tomorrow, till Thursday, and we will come by 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we also have online mentorship, like you just heard someone from the background, where we teach online via Telegram video conference. And if you want to join us, why not? You can join us so that you can even participate in our April trading challenge. We always do a challenge where we take $20 for $1,000. So we are doing it this April again. So if you're a member of GFS Academy, you automatically have access to that community where the challenge will be going on. It's a flippy challenge, you understand? So we are going to be doing a scalping challenge again this month of February, April. So if you want to be part of it, you can send direct message to this number, or you see that you visit our website at www.jeffressacademy.com, or you send me personally. This is my personal number here. And you can use it to chat me up or WhatsApp. No be to greet. Now strictly for business. You understand? If you are coming in, you are coming in. If you are not coming in, you can always join us online if you wish to. Then for the people who are not in Nigeria that may want to reach out to us, you can just add the Nigeria call code here, which is +234 903 0211559. Understand? So you can either use this to chat me on WhatsApp or use this to chat me on Telegram. Ajilo, thank you so much for retyping the number on the comment section. God bless you. So I believe we are good now. All right, guys. So tomorrow I will try my best so that we go do our live reading section on time. Then when I see this particular account, so now tomorrow we go start time again. This $3, it already did 34 now. So what I go do? I go come out 24 so that tomorrow we go start out from $10 again. This particular account where we take do BTC this weekend. You understand? We go try and we currently day 34 now, but I will be removing 24. I'll transfer the 24 go the wallet so that it will remain just 10. Then we go use the 10 start again tomorrow during that our trading section. Then on this particular BTC account, this one is still the run. We never close up. See, our BTC does skyrocket go up. This one I never close. I know they close anything here any moment from now. Now take profit that they anticipate for this BTC. So no fear. Hold your trade. So guys, we are coming back to this morning. This 11 we are coming back tomorrow morning by 10 a.m. Nigeria time. God bless you. And do me a favor by joining. Anytime you see our live, make sure you join.